guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bubbly. So today is going to be another episode wherein I'm going to show you as what I did with a brooch that I did. I hope you're able to see it. I did a elephant brooch. I know it looks really pretty. Let me open it up and show it to you. This is one of the best things that I've done. I hope you're able to see it. Yeah, so this is the brooch that I did, and I'm going to show you as how I did this brooch, and you can see the finish. This is handmade brooch. You can wear it on sari, you can wear it on your any kind of dresses or any design that you want, and this is so very simple to make, guys. Now I'm so obsessed with these brooches that I'm going to make a bunch of them and I'm going to be selling it. If you guys need these brooches, if you like these brooches, so don't forget to mention that on Instagram so that I can tell you as how much I'm selling it for. So without for any delay, or let's get to the video and see how I've done this brooch. This is a very pretty brooch. When I come back, I'll show you the brooch that I have done completed. Yeah, let's get to the video. welcome back guys. So I hope you like the video that I made of this brooch. This is a very pretty brooch, and it is really a bling bling kind of thing. I hope you're able to see it. It's really pretty, and this is how I finished the brooch. And if you would like to buy it, please ping me on Instagram. I'll definitely send it across to you guys. So any design that you want, also I can customize it and get it done for you. This is one that I've made. I hope you're able to see it. Yeah, so this is it. I hope you liked my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notification of the future videos that I upload. And until then, I'll see you. Bye guys. I'll meet you another interesting video another time. Bye bye. Stay beautiful.